Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. And also me, I'm doing fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah as well. As you can see, I'm to be here in outside. Actually, guys, where I'm standing at this moment, this place is called New EPZ. And also, there are so many garments industry under this EPZ. Okay, so actually guys, now I'm going to back my home after closing my office. And also, as you can see, there are so many trees among the road in a line, as you can see over there. And also another side, there are so many cars. Okay, so this place totally quiet. And also whenever you will come in this place, whenever you will visit in this place, that time you will see a lots of people together here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and see you again in our another practicing video. Have a good night. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.